In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see TikTok Shop orders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your order history, how to track what's been paid for, what's waiting to be shipped, and what's already on the way, plus where to leave a review once your items arrive. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because your orders are linked to your account, and you won't see them if you're not signed in. Once you're in, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. On your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon that opens more options for your account. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your version of the app, it may be labeled Settings and Privacy, but it takes you to the same place. Inside Settings, look for your orders. Tap that, and this is where everything related to your TikTok Shop purchases is organized. You'll see sections for different order statuses, paid shows, orders that you've successfully paid for, to ship lists, items the seller still needs to send out. Shipped shows items that have already left the seller and are on their way to you. Each section helps you quickly understand what stage your purchase is in. When you open a specific order, you can see details like the product, the seller, the total cost, and any shipping information provided. If tracking is available, you'll be able to follow the package's journey and see updates as it moves. If you don't see tracking right away, give it some time. Many sellers update tracking after a short processing period. Once your order has arrived and the delivery is confirmed, you can leave a review directly from this order's screen. Tap into the completed order and look for the review option. Sharing a rating and a short comment helps other shoppers and gives sellers useful feedback. If the app allows, adding clear photos of the product can make your review even more helpful. If the layout looks a little different on your device, that's normal. App interfaces can vary slightly by region and app version. You're always looking for the profile icon, the menu with three horizontal lines, settings, and then your orders. Keeping your app updated ensures you see the latest labels and features. That's it. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the menu, open settings, and select your orders to track what's paid, what's to ship, what's shipped, and leave your review when the item arrives. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.